Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I have something I want to show you outside. There's a 2005 Corolla which came here on the tow truck. I wasn't here yet. I was on the way here. The customer, which is my customer from the past, said, "Oh, I got stuck at the gas station, the vehicle won't start no matter how many times I try to start it up. Please be aware we are towing it to your new shop here. It's not start. The battery seems to be good. The AAA or whatever tow truck guy said he measured, he said the battery is not perfect, but it's definitely charged enough that it should move the starter and start the vehicle, and we are towing it." So they dropped it off here. I came inside and I confirmed that it's not starting. No matter how many times I will move the key, I could hear physically the fuel pump running, so definitely the computer was running all the systems for that start, yet there was no click, there was nothing, absolutely dead quiet. So I did that last chance trick which we discussed already. It's a hammer and piece of steel here. It's a bolt, and it's from Toyota Tacoma bolt. I will just show it to you. So instead of using this screw from my landlord and neighbor, he's very helpful. He will totally send the guys to help me to push it in the shop. I'm like, well, I don't want to bug them if I don't have to, so I came and grabbed the hammer, and this is from the front suspension of Tacomas and 4Runners. That's that upper arm, 2 bushings on it, bolt, which I saved from Toyota, and I tap on the starter solenoid. That's right there. I hope you can see it. Let me move it. Let me use the bolt. It's exactly right here. Right here I tap on this bolt a few times, and I just crossed fingers for myself, went in the cabin on the first click. Boop. As you can hear it, it's perfectly running. So this is that trick, the mechanic's trick as people call it. This is if you are somewhere in the woods, you don't want to call your tow, and you are able, it could be a rock which is on somewhere on the side of the road. If the starter is so easily accessible like it is here, it is, right? It's completely visible. Just few taps. You don't bang into it super hard. Just few taps, and believe it or not, it will start it. Let's go. This will not move, right? Let's go. Here are my gloves. Let's go shut her off and redo it. Oh no, I'm not crazy. I will first drive it in the shop instead of losing the last chance here in the parking lot. Will you agree? Shall I just take a risk and show it to you here in parking lot and then ask them to help me? No, let's put it in the shop and show it one more time. She's still running. Let's shut her down. Key out. Let's see if she will restart. Okay, she did. So it's intermittent. The starter is on the way out. In my opinion, it's original starter. Yeah, now she's starting. But as I said at the gas station this morning, the owner got stranded. So I will show you what I did right now. You look for that solenoid, which once again on this engine is very like, hopefully you can see it right now, right? And not just whacking it as hard as you can, there's no need. You just tap on it, and when that starter is dying, this little tapping will help to it. And you can say one more time, or maybe another 1 week, we don't know. But obviously when this happens to you, you are at the end of the life of the starter. And it's very advisable to just get it replaced. You can hit it this way, right, like a direct. I'm just using this because this gives me a choice of the area which I want to tap on. But as I said, on the side of the road, if you find a rock or something and you tap on it, this will help you to make it home or make it to the service, and they will replace that starter for you. This brave starter lasted 170,000 miles. It was turning this engine over, but I guess it was time for it to go. And just to give you idea about the prices, I checked the dealer. The starter for this 2005 Corolla, it's $160 plus tax, so it will be what, $174. The aftermarket, what I saw the prices are for the Ultima, that's a good company. The brand new, there are two options. Brand new, it's basically the same like Toyota price, and that is remanufactured, which is like $40 cheaper. Also the Toyota, I forgot to say, it's remanufactured. It's not brand new, it's remanufactured by the Denso from the dealer. So hopefully that gives you idea when you get it the same situation. If you have 2005 Corolla, you can tap on it. That's a little hint for you, little trick. And be subscribed. I have way more videos coming your way soon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, my friend.